Welcome guys to the hardware set info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and in this video I'm going to show you how to check battery temperature using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to enter our Play Store so we can get Ampere app from here. So now we have to search for Ampere. And now we can install the app. As you can see, we can already open the app. Now here you have to click consent, OK. And as you can see, right here you can check your battery health temperature. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!